from 6th Garnet. Today prayer is conducting by every classes. Leader salute, order. School salute, order. Join your hands, close your eyes, we'll start the prayer.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive our responses as we forgive those who response us against us, and lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. O God, you are the truth, and origin of all knowledge. We humbly ask you to be with us throughout this day. Help us to study well, to be responsible, obedient, and sincere. Bless our country, our parents, teachers, and all well-wishers of our school. Grant us the grace to see truth always, and make us to live it. Amen.
Maurice from 6th Garnet. Today prayer is conducting by every classes. Leader salute, order. School salute, order. Join your hands, close your eyes, we'll start the prayer.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive our responses as we forgive those who response us against us, and lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. O God, you are the truth, and origin of all knowledge. We humbly ask you to be with us throughout this day. Help us to study well, to be responsible, obedient, and sincere. Bless our country, our parents, teachers, and all well-wishers of our school. Grant us the grace to see truth always, and make us to live it. Amen.
All our singings are
national song.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of history and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity along life and happiness.
Start.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Ruchita. I am studying in 5th A. Today's thought is in mathematics, the art of proposing a question must be held of higher value than solving it. Once again, in mathematics, the art of proposing a question must be held of higher value than solving it. Happy National Mathematics Day. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. Today's GK question is brought to you by Sai Browski from 8th Z College. What is the square root of 64? Once again, what is the square root of 64? Answer 8. My second GK question is what is the who is the human calculator? Answer Shakuntala Devi. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Ananya. I am studying in 8th Zircons. Today's do you know is mathematics is a Greek word derived from the word mathema. Mathema means knowledge and study. Once again, mathematics is a Greek word derived from the word mathema. Mathema means knowledge and study. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. Today's new word is brought to you by Sai Browski from 8th Z College. Geometric. Geo means earth. Metron means measuring. Geometric means measuring of all shapes on the earth. Thank you.
Good morning to respected principal ma'am and all the teachers and my dear friends. We are celebrating National Mathematics Day. Today I am telling about greatest Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan birthday is celebrated as National Mathematics Day every year on December 22nd. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a great Indian mathematician. He was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu. His full name was Srinivasa Iyengar Ramanujan. His father name was Kuppaswamy Srinivasa Iyengar and his mother name was Komalatamma. He had amazing talent for numbers. Having limited formal education, he made remarkable contribution to mathematics. Ramanujan work mainly focused on areas like number theory, infinity series and continuous fraction. He passed away on 26 April 1920 at the age of 32. Srinivasa Ramanujan number is 1729 is equal to 1 cube plus 12 cube equal to 9 cube plus 10 cube. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Shrestha from 8th grade. Today I am telling about greatest scientist
Bhaskaracharya. Bhaskaracharya is also known as Bhaskarato. He was leading the mathematician and astronomer of 12th century. He was born on 1114 CE. He became the head of the Astronomical Observatory at Ujjain, the leading mathematical center in India at that time. He discovered he popularized for his book Siddhanta Shiromani and other books Lilavati and Bijaganita. He is known not only for his mathematical skills but also for his poetic inclination. He was successor of the Indian mathematician Brahmagupta. He died on 1185 CE.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, all the teachers and my dear friends. Today I am speaking about the Euclid. Euclid is the father of the geometry. Euclid is an ancient Greek mathematician. He was a derived Greek, which means a good glory. He was born in the mid-4th century BC and lived in Alexandria. He was referred as a Euclid of Alexandria. He was the father of the geometry. He was best known his work in geometry. He wrote books about astronomy, mirrors, optics, and many more. Thank you.
Today I am telling you about Archimedes. Archimedes was born in Syracuse, Sicily, and he studied in Alexandria, Egypt. The famous scientist Archimedes also found the value of pi for the first time. Archimedes is also found the mathematics formulas to find out the circumference and arc of circle. Key constitutions and invitations. Mathematics developer measures similarly to find out the areas and volumes. Currently find pi for the and he studied about spirals and spheres. He died around 2012 BCE and 2011 BCE, killed by the Roman soldier during the city's capture. He denoted that pi is equals to 22/7. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. My name is Nehita. Today's topic is Shakuntala Devi. Shakuntala Devi was born on 4th November 1929. She was also known as human calculator. She was nearly 6 years old when she showed her amazing talent of solving complex mathematical problems within seconds. She awarded the title of Most Distinguished Woman of the Year in 1969. She also awarded the Guinness Book of World Records in 1982. She also awarded the Ramanujan mathematical abilities of the year from Washington DC. Thank you. Good morning, my name is respected principal ma'am, dear teachers and my dear friends. I am speaking about Aryabhatta, and mathematician scientist. He was born in 476 CE in Kusumapura, modern Patna, during India's Gupta era. He renowned mathematics and astronomer from classical India. Authored that influential treatise Aryabhatta at age 23. Purpose: the earth rotates on its axis, causing day and night. He introduced the symbols and concepts of zero in calculations. He developed place value system for numbers. He declared Earth to be spherical. His work separated mathematics from astronomy. He translated Arabic, influencing Islamic science. He served as head of Nagaland University. The first satellite launched in
1975 name was Aryabhatta. Thank you.
Good morning to respected principal ma'am and all the teachers and my friends. Today's Maths College is brought to you by V. from 7th Amethyst. If you take 4 apples from 5 apples, how many do you have? Once again, if you took 4 apples from 5 apples, how many do you have? Wrong answer. If you took 4 apples, so you have 4 apples. Can you write down 8 eights so that they add up to 1000? Once again, can you write down 8 eights so that they add up to 1000? Answer: 888 plus 88 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 equal to 1000. If you add 5 to 9 to get 2, the answer is correct. But how? If you add 5 to 9, get 2. The answer is correct. But how? Answer: when it is 9 a.m., add 5 to it. So you will get 2 p.m. If you get 69 bananas, you took 33 bananas. How many do you have? 33 bananas. Answer. M.R. Arko have 4 daughters. Each of his daughter has a brother. How many children does M.R. Arko have? M.R. Arko have 4 daughters. Each of his brother has a brother. How many do you have? Correct answer. Thank you.
All the friends, sir.
Principal ma'am and colleagues, as you all know that we gather here for the National Mathematics Day. How many of you guys know that International Maths Day is a different Maths Day and National Maths Day is a different Maths Day? Our Indians always hold the pride of taking over the maths subject. We are many mathematicians in India. Many sculptures, architectural monuments are constructed using geometry. But I feel pathetic that no student has answered the funny questions over here. Even from the 8th, 9th grade students. Maybe that shows no interest, or it maybe shows lack of knowledge. If it is a lack of knowledge, we teachers are there here to support you. But if it is a no interest, that is a problem. Just how many of you believe that there is a solution for every question in the mathematics? Every question in the maths has solutions. Who are believing, raise their hands. Okay, homework the assembly? Good.
Today we are celebrating National Mathematics Day. Every year, December 22nd, we are celebrating National Mathematics Day. Happy National Mathematics Day to all students and teachers. Listen, ma. One example. Every teacher, math teacher has any situation handling in easy way because of they are solving so many problems every day. Is it yes or no? Think about yourself. Somebody thinking mathematics is a very hard subject. Not any hard, very easy subject because you have to concentrate and understand everything is an easy. What is the difference of mathematics and other subjects? The remaining subject has 2-3 hours. You have to by heart any question. That was getting easy. But mathematics is the giving explanation of teachers. That time only have to concentrate. Without preparation, you have to write the answer and easy. Yes or no? That is, you have to think about yourself. Mathematics an easy subject. I am learn. I am think about it. So everything is an easy. So because mathematics is the backbone of all subjects. Mathematics is gotten easy. Remaining all subjects are easy to handle. Yes or no? So thank you, children. Now onwards, you have to somebody listening and leaving at a time. So listen and have to store in the brain. Everything is an easy.